Hello and welcome back to Karavali Days. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to share with you a healthier version of eating Wai Wai. These are the list of ingredients that I've used. For all who do not know what Wai Wai is, it's a pre-cooked noodle which is ready to eat. You can also cook it later like you normally do with Maggi or any other noodle that's from the store. It comes with 3 ingredients. Apart from the noodles which is already flavored, you have red chili powder, you have onion oil and a taste enhancer. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put all that in the bowl and mix it. I've also chopped some onion, tomatoes, coriander leaves and set it aside to mix it. You can also add cabbages and carrots. I also have added some green gram sprouts, watermelon seed. You can also add sunflower seed, pumpkin seed. The list is really long. Added some green chili, squeeze some lemon, and you mix it. Voila, the food is ready. That's all it takes, guys. It roughly takes 15 minutes to prepare the entire thing. And it's for all those who like me who feel guilty every time you eat something that's not so healthy. This will kind of curb your guilt conscience. Alright? So if you're somebody who loves egg, you can also add boiled egg to it and eat it, or scrambled egg, choice is yours. Please let me know in the comment below if you ever tried this way. I would be happy to go ahead and read it. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It means really a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. See you until next time. Bye.